This video is for Powtoon Assignment 2, Add Graphics. First you're going to go to powtoon.com and then you're going to click on Login in the top right corner. Next you're going to click on Sign in with Google. Alright, then you're going to click on Edit next to the name of your Powtoon. And it's taking a little while for this to load. Okay, next what you're going to do is you're going to add a character. And so you're going to do that by clicking on Objects on the right-hand side. Then you're going to click on Switch Mode. If this pops up, you can hit Skip Tutorial. Then you're going to click on Library. And from here, you're going to put your pointer on one of the characters. And when you see the character you want, you'll just click on it once in order to make the character appear. Next, what you're going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and move this character so that she's not on top of my text. I'm going to click on the 2 that appears down here in the timeline. And I'm going to see the girl in the timeline. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on her. And then I can control when I want her to appear. Right now she's appearing at 3 seconds into the timeline, but maybe I want her to appear for, at 2 seconds. So then I would just go ahead and click and drag that blue line to when I want the girl to appear. So if I were to click and drag this red triangle back to 0 and hit play, then I would see the girl appear after 2 seconds. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to add some music. So in order to do that, you would click on Sound on the right-hand side and then click on Soundtrack. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to choose one of the free songs. So the ones that are in green are free. So I'm just going to scroll down and then I would hit the play button in order to listen to it. And if I wanted to use it, then I would click on Add and then click on Apply. Then the last thing we're going to do is add some speech bubbles. So click on Text and then click on the style of the speech bubble that you want. So I'm just going to click on this one right here, for example. If you don't see your character, what you're going to want to do is just fast forward a bit so that your character appears. And I'm just going to take this speech bubble, kind of move it over a bit, take my person, move over that way we don't have any overlap. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click where it says Add Text and then click on the T in order to edit. And then I'm just going to have her say what I want her to say. And then click on Apply. The last thing we're going to do is time the speech bubble. So you'll notice that over here we've got 3 things that start at 0 seconds. And actually the speech bubble and the text inside the speech bubble all appear at 3 seconds. So we would click on whatever object we want to appear. Like let's say I wanted to change the time that the speech bubble appeared. I would click on the speech bubble, and then I would have this little blue line, and I could make it appear after 1 second, for example. If I click on the 2, maybe I want the text to also appear at 1 second. So then I'd click on the T for the text box and make that appear at 1 second. But anyway, so now if I were to go ahead and rewind it and play it, then I've got everything appearing at certain times. And if you wanted to change it, for example, if we wanted the girl to appear, you know, earlier on, you'd have to click her and then click and drag the blue line in order to control when the girl appears. And then the last thing is to control how long each of the different slides appears. Right now, this one appears for 4 seconds. If I wanted to add more time to my slide, I'd hit the plus sign. If I wanted to take away time from my slide, I would hit the minus sign. And that's it.